welcome to Bitesize Piano, specifically the video where you guys can request which song you would like me to make a piano tutorial on. So this is the designated space on my channel where I will only accept song requests in the comment section down below. So go have a scroll through the rest of my channel, from my playlists. If there's not a song that already exists on my channel, comment it down below if you'd like to see it. So all song requests are noted, they're considered, they're listened to. If I choose to make a piano tutorial on your song request, I will of course leave the link to it in response to your comment. Here on Bitesize Piano I make tutorials on classical music, pop music, blues music, jazz. I try to cover a range of musical genres, so there's something for everyone. I try to make my tutorials as clear and as thought out as possible. I aim to do at least 3 videos a week. I am a full-time actual piano teacher, so please leave a comment down below what song you would like a piano tutorial on. I look forward to chatting with you all down there. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do already. I would love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials. So I hope you stick around and I will see you in my videos. Bye bye!